A1.
The only one.
The only one.
The only one.
The only one.
Since passion ko yung fitness, since high school pa lang ako, mahilig na ako mag-gym, bodybuilding. And then, nagsimula ako nung pandemic. Nagtayo kami ng sariling online store. Then, na-meet ko si Justin. Then, nagsimula kami mag-carry ng A1 protein products. And then, nung nilagay ko siya sa online store namin, nakita ko na grabe yung demand ng A1 protein products since mostly 70% ng sales namin, almost lahat ay A1 protein products. Nakita ko talaga since yung mga customer, maganda yung reviews about sa taste, about sa quality ng product. And minsan yung ba, nagpo-post pa ng mga before and after pics ng progress nila. Kaya nakakatuwa. Then napagpasyahan ko na magtayo na din ng sariling A1 protein branch dito sa Taytay since madaming nagtatanong since yung store ko is online store lang. Nagtatanong if may physical store ba kami. Then napagpasyahan ko na magkaroon ng sariling branch para makatanggap kami ng walk-in customers. They are one of the trusted brands here in the Philippines and exceptional yung reviews niya sa taste and sa quality. Talagang effective yung A1 protein. Sa mga Rizaleños, welcome kayo dito sa A1 Protein Taytay Rizal Branch. Open kami from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily.
Welcome to our second branch, A1 Protein Rizal. We are now officially opening our franchising. You can now DM us or send us a messages. Thank you for supporting and believing A1 Protein. See you all!